Hi, I'm Bree, and I'm coming back at you with another freaking video. And today I want to talk about my hair. So if you watched my previous video about the unboxing of Taensa hair, you would have seen my hair. I've been wearing this hair for about, I say this Saturday might even be the 4th week. Yeah, so I've been wearing this hair for 1 month now, and I got to say, I have a few things that I want to say. First thing that I want to say is thank you again to Taensa Hair for partnering with me to do this video. I really appreciate you, and I hope that we can work together again soon. The second thing that I want to say is that I love this hair. Now, you got to excuse my frontal because this is not Taensa hair. But the hair in the back, the hair that I filled it in with, yes, that is Taensa hair. And I love my Taensa hair. I actually ordered 2 16-inch bundles straight. And this is what it looks like in its natural state. Now, I am going to insert some clips of what my hair looked like while it was straight and what my hair looked like while it was curly. I used a electric flat iron in both of those clips. And this is my hair in its natural state, including the frontal. Now, the frontal is from another company. We're going to try to disregard it. But like I was saying, the only regret that I have about this hair is the fact that I didn't order another bundle. I feel like the bundles that I have look natural. They look full. They look like it's actually my hair. Like, until you walk up on it, and maybe if you see the lace, maybe you don't. You know what I'm saying? You'll be like, oh, that's her hair. Her hair looks beautiful. I had a lot of coworkers say that they love my hair straight. And they thought it was my hair, but it really was not. I just wanted to see the hair in, 3 different patterns. I saw it curly. I saw it straight. And now this is in its natural state. And I still love it. Look, you guys. I'm running my fingers through this hair. I haven't gotten any shedding. So my camera died. I went ahead and I ate dinner. I put on this comfortable robe, and as I was saying, the frontal, not my favorite thing in the world. But the Taensa Indi hair, yes. My only complaint about this hair is that I did not get another bundle. I think it looks really natural like this. I've had a few people think that this was my hair, but if I would have had another bundle, I really would have been like overly satisfied. I'm completely satisfied with this hair. I'm so glad that I was able to partner with Taensa Indi hair to bring you guys this video. And the only thing that I can say at this point is that you guys need to try this hair. Any closure or frontal from Taensa Indi hair will be absolutely gorgeous, and you'll be completely satisfied with it.